walk-through metal detector, may the netizen nag-comment, si Angelica Onarosa nga, pwede mo maghatag din, transparent na backpack. So, nag-discuss kami na principal, na tinutod man, kay bisan may the walk-through metal detector, medyo kinukuren kaya pero pagsulod, napila lagi, ginusa-usa man pag-filling it bag. So, naman na idea of the transparent backpack came into being. So, we discussed with the principal, that we will provide one transparent backpack per student, which is 1,620 students in all. We chose San Jose National High School because of what happened to them. And it is important that they may na sense of security. Para pagka nila eskwelahan, di na maghinadlokon. Because the only way to defeat terrorism is to live life as normal as possible. And so this is one of the ways that we can help them to come to the school with a sense of security. So, ito na mga bag, makikita man ito, kung may danera-dara nga dire ang edad doon, maalang hira pagdara. Kantong igdara-nera, makikita ang dayon, dire la security guard, pati na mga classmates, makita magsumat nga, oy, kano may pisaw ito, may pitsilyo, may makikita ang dayon. So, this is our way of helping them have the sense of security in their classrooms.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And also, after this distribution of backpack, we're also going to distribute copies of the Bible for each of the students. This one is from Gideon's International. Kaya marang kita, ngayon, sense of security, dahil lang di kalibutan, pati tatod ng eternal security, importante diya pa. Ito spiritual security, kaya aragway ni is between the forces of good and evil. And we should not let the forces of evil win. So through the Bible, we hope that the students will develop a relationship with God and that will change their outlook on life. Na din na kita, problema at era mga panhuna-huna, kunanit adet era kasing-kasing, kay we want the Lord to be in their hearts. So this is the purpose of our coming here this morning.
Paano po ba, sir, yung ako?
From San Jose National High School, may napakang school na pwede.
Yes, sir.
Well, for the meantime, di dilani kami ng focus, kay medyo itong budget, may budget man ko din yung ginallocate gihapon. Hopefully, the DepEd or the local government, if they think that this is good and beneficial to the students, they will adopt this as a policy. Pwede man mga PTA gihapon, kaya ini nga backpack, actually is 200 pesos only. So kaya man ini palito ng mga parents to provide for their children or the school to provide for the children. Importante, paggamit ini nga backpack, ito na security.
Hindi rin maiihan na, sir.
And then maiihan pag-check if ipasulod.
Tara po nga grade level ng sir may backpack.
Dito sa San Jose National High School, nga tanang nga grade level, nga tanang estudyante, tagurusa na backpack. Nga tagurusa gyud na Bible, pati mga teachers.
Thank you, sir.
Pero after almost more than a month na era after the incident, how secure lagyan pininaswilahan, sir?
Well, I think from the past incidences, may dakong noise, may sudden movement, yung mga estudyante, nahadlok pa. So we need to help them restore that sense of security. Kapag kanina na eskwelahan, they will feel safe. And that is the only purpose of our activity today.
And even the parents gyapon.
Ang parents gyapon, kaya they send their kids to school with the confidence na they will be safe. So we want to help provide a safe environment for them.
Sir, Toyota is a private company. Kapag ba iyo social responsibility?
Yes, this is part of our corporate social responsibility. Since we do business here, digap kami na okuit ang pamilya. We've been here for the past 100 years, no? So we are part of this community. Labi na, di kami sa San Jose na okuit. So very close talaga kami nga dito yung community.